हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है सी प्लस प्लस। तो बेसिक सी प्लस प्लस प्रोग्रामिंग से हम शुरू करेंगे। तो व्हाट इज सी प्लस प्लस? तो सी प्लस प्लस इज a हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज and the C++ is developed by Visionaire Stroustrup, and the C++ is used in high performance applications. So it is used in developing high performance applications. And why we use the C++? So C++ supports object oriented programming, which is used in every application development, and it is faster and easy to learn, and it gives us more libraries than C. And one other mean is it gives high level control over system resources and memory. So what is C++? We have seen in the previous video. So for programming in C++, what we need is, first we need a text editor. So text editor, like example is like Notepad. If we are doing coding in our personal machine or computer, and for compiling the code, we have to need GCC compiler in our PC. And we can do these things in online compiler also. And you can see so many online compilers in websites. You can find so many free online compilers. So for installing C++ IDs, you can prefer other YouTube videos, or I will share one video to install GCC compile in your machine. And I will also share some online compiler links so that you can code in without installing GCC compiler on your machine. So starting with our first C++ program, for an example, we can write some C++ program here. So the basic structure of C++ program is like we have to include some libraries like input output library stream. So this is used in our C++ programming. So this line will include input output library so that we can have our input stream and output stream. Yes. So this is the first line we use in C++ program. It is on the top of the program, and then there is some one in main program. So main function is there. We will know what function is later, but I'm just sharing a prototype of how C++ program look like. So this is the include, and this is the main function. Here, if the function is integer, then we have to return integer at the end. So I am returning 0 for this time only. So I can say this is our main function. Main function means our program will start through this only, and all the functions will be executed after the main program. So we will write our first C++ program here. So as we already seen in the previous video, what is the prototype of C++ program looks like. So we will first include input output stream so that we can give the input and we can see the output if when we run our C++ program. So uh, this line used as the meaning of using namespace std here is that we can use the names for objects and variables from the standard library. We will see what objects and variable is after some time or in the next video. Then we will type our main function. So then we will start our function to run. So here I am just writing C plus program which is hello world and then return 0 as it is a integer function. I used int main which is we have to return integer at the end of function. This will be applied to all the functions. If you use void, then you don't have to return anything. But I am using int, so I have to return something which is integer. I can return one also. So here the cout is used for giving the output, some output to the screen. So I have written hello world here, which will be given as an output at the end, and this is end line means after see out this string there will be a end of line which is there some new line will be there. So I am running this program, so you can see there's hello world. If I type something new here, you can see the new line which is caused by end line. So because of this end line, the y is printed below the hello world.